Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Are you looking for the best DC power supply? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best DC power supply on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check the user to see which one is in your budget range. Studying at Top 1. Cumber SPS 305 DC Power Supply. The first power supply in our list, and if you are looking for a reliable yet affordable DC power supply, then you should definitely consider the Cumber SPS 305 DC power supply. It is a switching DC power supply with output voltage adjustable from 0-30V and output current adjustable from 0-5A. There are other variations as well, such as 30V/10A, 60V/5A and 120V/3A. There are 4 dials for adjusting voltage and current with separate knobs for fine and coarse values. The power supply supports both CV and CC mode with automatic conversion between modes. The display module consists of 3 sets of 4-digit LED display to display voltage, with a resolution of 0.01V, current, with a resolution of 0.001A, and power, with a resolution of 0.1W. The on-off switch is located at the back. Output ports consists of positive, negative, and earth terminals. Additionally, there is a 5V/2A USB port using which you can charge different device or provide power supply to Arduino or ESP32. In terms of safety, the Cumber power supply consists of temperature-controlled fan, over voltage, power overload, short-circuit protection, and a 5A input fuse. Top 2. Tech Power Variable DC Power Supply. The second power supply in our list is from a company called Tech Power, which manufactures budget multimeters, power supplies, and other test equipment. Tech Power TP3005T is a variable DC power supply with voltage range from 0-30V and current from 0-5A. The setup and readback resolution is 10 MV, 0.01V for voltage and 1 mA, 0.001A for current. An important specification of this power supply is that this is a transformer-based linear power supply, which means it has low output ripple, noise, when compared to a switching power supply. This is important if you are working on sensitive components and devices, especially in R&D centers, research institutes, labs and other industrial use. Like any bench power supply, you can operate this either in constant voltage, CV, mode or constant current, CC, mode. Do refer to the provided user manual on how to set up output voltage or constant current. There are a couple of protection mechanisms for added safety, such as overcurrent protection and overheating protection. A temperature sensor-based cooling fan helps radiate the heat from the power supply. Coming to the user interface, there are a couple of 7-segment displays for voltmeter and ammeter, indicators for CC, CV, OCP modes, couple of dials for voltage and current adjustment, output terminals, positive, negative and earth, ground, and an on-off switch. Top 3. Eventech Digital Switching Power Supply. Eventech is another small-time player that manufactures good quality digital test and measuring equipment such as multimeters, clamp meters, power supplies and thermometers. The Eventech KPS 305D is an affordable power supply with adjustable output voltage from 0-30V and output current from 0-5A. It is a switching power supply, so the efficiency figures are high at greater than or equal to 89% and weighs very little at only 3.2 pounds, as there is no mains transformer. There are totally 4 dials, 2 for voltage, separate dials for fine and coarse adjustment, and 2 for current adjustment. It supports both CV and CC mode and automatically converts from one mode to other depending on the usage. Apart from the knobs, there is a voltmeter and ammeter with a display resolution of 0.1V and 0.01A respectively. There are also indicators for CC and CV mode, a rocker-style on-off switch and only positive and negative output ports, no earth, ground, port. There are multiple protection features such as temperature sensor-based cooling fan, over current protection, over voltage protection and short-circuit protection. Top 4. NicePower SPS 3010 Variable DC Power Supply. Another new player in the field of variable DC power supplies is a brand called NicePower. The NicePower SPS 3010 Variable DC Power Supply is a switching power supply, which can be adjusted from 0-30V and 0-10A. It is a very affordable power supply considering these values. Front panel is very simple with a couple of 3-digit LED display for voltmeter and ammeter. But the resolution, both setup and read back, is 0.1V and 0.01A, which is not that great if you want a very precise adjustment. There are a couple of knobs for voltage and current adjustment along with an on-off switch. Output ports consists of positive, negative, and earth. Additionally, there is a 5V/2A USB port, which is an added feature if you want to charge your phone or power circuit boards. Protection-wise, there is a temperature-controlled cooling fan, over current, over voltage and short-circuit protection. Top 5. Yescom DC Power Supply. Yescom USA, started as a retailer for cell phone accessories, now contains a wide portfolio of products ranging from home and garden supplies to electronics. The Yescom adjustable switching power supply has 0.30V of output voltage and 0.10A of output current adjustment. Yes, with a maximum of 30V and 10A, this power supply can provide 300W of continuous power with both CC and CV modes. Aided by several protection features such as over voltage, over current and over temperature protection, with temperature sensor-based cooling fan, you can use this power supply at full load for a long time without any interruptions. Coming to the user interface, the front panel consists of 3-digit voltmeter and ammeter with a display resolution of 0.1V and 0.1A respectively. There are also 4 knobs, 2 each for fine and coarse adjustments for voltage and current. Apart from these, there are indicators for CV and CC mode, on-off switch and 3 output ports, positive, negative, and earth.